what you gain from having this team, both companies at your disposal, is that one-stop shop mentality. You can, again, have that emergency remediated, and then have Lou and his team put your home back together, and we had it done quickly as we can. And I think that, you know, that one-stop shop piece is what makes us special.
100%. Most of the time out on Long Island, you'll call a remediation company, and they'll simply just tear your home apart. They'll tear the home apart. Here's the bill, see you later. That's not what you're buying when you sign with our firms. What you're buying is a start to finish seamless approach. It's going to get remediated, reconstructed perfectly.
The interesting thing about that, it really works on that side as well. A company can come in and do remediation, and you may have a contractor. If that contractor doesn't understand the insurance industry and doesn't understand how to get you max dollars for your claim, you may end up with a bill at the end of that transaction that you can't afford to pay. So working with Lou, he works within the parameters of that budget that you're getting back from the insurance company to make your project whole, make your home whole again, without having to spend additional money.